Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So much has happened since the last time you guys have seen my room. So I finally got new curtain rods. I decided to change them from black to white. I just really wanted a different feel in my room, and I think it looks really great. I got the curtain rods from Ikea, but I'll link everything in the description box. After I put up the curtain rods, I was just in the mood to just change more in my room, and I wanted to clean my room first before changing up my room, but that didn't happen. I just went for it. So I didn't really film it. I kind of remembered while I was changing up my room, but I switched my bed around. I kept my dresser in the same place, and I moved my makeup table. And I think it looks good. I don't think it's my favorite. I definitely prefer the way my room looked before. I don't know. I don't think I'm going to keep this for a very long time, but it's a nice change for right now. I also decided to move over my circle mirror because I just noticed it was off center. So since I was putting all these holes in my wall, I thought, why not put another one? And before I forget, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We have a goal to reach 50K, and it would be really great if you guys would subscribe to be part of this little family that we have. Yeah, let's start cleaning.
Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, you she don't love money. She break grass real fast like Conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist. Cause I need ya, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, get to you clean and proper. Way I move, I know you can love her. You gon' have me on your mind forever, ever. Thanks, baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down.
Show me how you take it.
Off. Why you tryna find the pieces when you rip it off? Why I like it when you sit it when you take it off? Yeah, you know that I'm bad.
There wasn't much to clean up on this side because when I was moving my furniture, I basically pushed everything by my closet. So I finished this side pretty quickly.
Take it all night. It's not ready. Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes slow, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby. you wanna leave behind. Get all those cold eyes cold looking, but saying bye bye bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna.
I'm honestly so obsessed with my new curtains. I should have did this a long time ago. Look how good they look.
Gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Was it hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Yeah, there's a remedy, remedy, yeah. Oh no. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. There's a remedy, remedy. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. There's no remedy, remedy, yeah. Talk to me nice, talk to me honest.
I removed all of my storage bins from under my bed so I can like properly dust them and rearrange them. And I'm really glad I did this because my perfume and lotion bin was like really dusty and I never realized how dusty it was because I just haven't cleaned it out in a while. I also got rid of a lot of old candles. I had like a really bad habit of keeping old candles because I would see all these DIYs of people turning them into like wax melts, but I literally only did that with one candle. So these candles are just taking up space.
Sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now. But I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet.
So what do you guys think I should do about the picture frames that were above my bed? Should I leave them in that area and just have it by my makeup table, or should I move it back over my bed? I kind of like it the way things are right now, but at the same time, I'm not sure if like the area above my bed is way too bare now. My makeup drawer is looking really crazy. I really need to deep clean it again. So if that's something you guys want to see, let me know in the comment section down below.
Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life-bilder, jo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunna ge förut. Det finns ju ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för dig, baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig.
So right now I'm folding my clothes using the Konmari method. I have a full video of me organizing my entire wardrobe, of me Konmariing my life. If you guys want to see that, I'll leave it in the description box.
Aldrig, aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Varje gång jag bak på det, jag tänker vilket kap jag har gjort. Jag skulle gå tillbaks i tid, göra om allt igen och förstå. Ser det som ett allt, det är dig jag vill wifa. De här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss.
I know that little piece of clothing is going to bother somebody. I apologize in advance. It's bothering me too. I don't know why I always do this.
Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Jag vet det bara life om igen och jag vet det bara ta sin tid. Jag vet det bara life och igen och stay with me please. Jag vet det bara life om igen och jag vet det bara ta sin tid. Jag vet det bara life och igen och stay with me please. Du lägger till, du är där för mig. Jag svär mitt liv kretsar runt dig, baby. Du bär på mina bebek så allt när jag visionerar vår framtid. Låt mig hålla dig, baby. Hey, kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like this new room arrangement. Like I said before, I am not like 100% in love, but I do think it's a nice change. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know your thoughts. So if you guys like seeing these types of videos, definitely subscribe. We're trying to reach 50K. We're almost there. And give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.